Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jason Titus.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jason, and I lead the Developer Product Group at Google. I'm so excited to be here with all of you at Google Developer Days Europe. This region is an amazing one for technology, with startup hubs blossoming across the continent, from London to Paris to Berlin and Warsaw.
Hi, I'm Francis, and I lead the Firebase product team. Our mission is to help developers build a better app and grow a successful business. Since I/O 2016, we've expanded Firebase from a set of backend services to a broad mobile platform to help solve many of the common problems you face across the lifecycle of an app. From helping you build faster and easier with products like real-time database and cloud storage, to helping you better understand and grow your app with tools like analytics and cloud messaging. Whether you're starting something new or looking to extend an existing app, we're here to help you so that you can channel more of your time and energy towards creating value for your users. And we deliver all of this in a single, easy-to-use SDK available across platforms. To date, there are over 1 million developers using Firebase, and we're humbled so many of you have taken this journey with us. We're deeply committed to Firebase, and we're doubling down on our efforts to help developers succeed. On that note, earlier this year, we're excited to have the Fabric team join us at Google. Since launching Crashlytics in 2011, our teams have shared a very similar mission. And now we're working together to integrate our two platforms and bring you the best of both in a thoughtful way. One of the first steps we're taking is to bring Crashlytics to Firebase to make that our flagship crash reporting product. If you're an existing customer of Fabric or Firebase, we're going to be paving a smooth transition path for you over the coming months. We've also been working closely with the Digits team to bring the next evolution of phone number sign-in to Firebase authentication. With it, you can extend your app, enable users to sign in with a phone number. They just need to do a one-time verification, and they're in. With Firebase Auth, we also provide a headless API so that you can have full control and customize the UI to fit the look and feel of your app. In addition to integrating with Fabric, we've also made many updates over the last year, and I'd like to highlight a few of these for you. One of our goals for Firebase is to save you from managing servers so that you can focus on building great apps. And to help with this, we've released Cloud Functions for Firebase. With Cloud Functions, you can deploy JavaScript code to the cloud and have that triggered based on an HTTP request or with other events happening across Firebase. For example, you can set up a function with Firebase Auth to automatically send a push notification through FCM when a new user signs up. Or say, set up a function with storage so that you can do some server-side processing like machine learning when a new image is uploaded. Or you can also use functions with hosting to create a fully dynamic website without managing any servers. Functions is a great way to extend your app and enables true serverless development. So we just talked about how Firebase helps you build more easily. Let's switch gears to talk about how it can help you build better and really focus on your app quality. Now, as developers, we spend a lot of time optimizing and testing our apps. But when we release our apps in the wild, sometimes end users experience something entirely different based on the diversity of devices or network conditions. And when our apps don't perform well, it's frustrating for everyone. And that's why we've released Firebase Performance Monitoring. You can add performance monitoring with one line of code, and it will automatically measure your app's startup time and network latency. You can then also add additional custom traces to measure the timing across the different points in your app. You can drill in deeper to filter your data based on the country, app version, or device type to get a sense of how users are really experiencing your app and not just on your office Wi-Fi. Performance monitoring is a nice complement to Crashlytics and analytics to help you better understand and find those bottlenecks that could be impacting your user engagement or even your business bottom line. Speaking of analytics, we've also made a number of updates on this front. Earlier in the year, we released Stream View to give you a real-time view of how users are interacting with your app across the world. We've also added custom parameter reporting to give you the next level of insights in addition to the events that you log. For example, let's say that you log the events that are happening when a user passes around in your game. Now you can also get reports to the custom parameters like the type of game that was played or the average number of coins that were awarded. We've also worked with the AdMob team to give you insights to which ad on which screen are earning you the most so that you can really optimize both your ad revenue along with your user engagement with the broader analytics insights that you get. We've also enhanced our experience with BigQuery, where you can export your analytics events in RAW, join it with custom data sets, and perform ad hoc analysis. It's super powerful. With BigQuery, you can also use it with Data Studio to create your own custom visualizations and reports. Essentially, you can build your own analytics UI the way you need. In addition to building features, we've also recently launched a Firebase Alpha program that gives access to unreleased products. And this is a great opportunity to provide early feedback and help shape Firebase. Incorporating customer feedback is a key part of our product development process, and we look forward to hearing from developers like you. Just sign up at the URL. Now, we just shared some of the updates we've made since last year. To learn even more and hear what we've been up to, we'll be hosting the Firebase Dev Summit in Amsterdam at the end of October. You can learn more about the event at firebase.google.com, and I look forward to see many of you there. I look forward to hearing your feedback and continue to work hard to help you build a better app and grow a more successful business. Thank you. Now I'd like to bring Jason back on.
Thanks, Francis. As you can see, we're continuing to work hard to improve the developer experience for Google's products. Tomorrow morning, you'll hear more about the products our engineering teams at Google are building here in Europe. Whether it's our compression team in Switzerland, amazing compiler and language work in Denmark, or our cloud team in Poland that's scaling the cloud. So Adiko's story is just one of many that motivates us to continue programs like this. That's why today I'm excited to announce that we're extending our partnership with Udacity to begin the Udacity Scholarship Challenge, this time with enough space for 60,000 aspiring developers across Europe and select parts of EMEA. And we're also expanding the scope to include both Android and mobile web development. So please visit the website to sign up and learn more. So as you heard from the speakers today, we're really excited about the possibilities for developers to build some truly amazing things. We're looking forward to getting to know you over the next 2 days and hear what's on your mind. Thank you, and have fun.
Hey, Hello and welcome to Krakow. For those of you from Krakow, thank you for welcoming us to your, beautiful city. Here is actually a photograph from the last time I was in Krakow when the temperature was like minus 20 degrees Celsius. Team. These are really, really good and really good people running those sessions. And if you want to find out more, please check out Web Fundamentals, like case studies, resources at developers.google.com/web. Most of all, please feel free to come and talk to us, any of the Googlers. There's a bunch of web Googlers here. We're here to learn what you're doing on the web, what we can do to make the web better, and to help you, build better experiences for all your users. Thank you very much, and we'll see you around.